Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day today. Hey, Anthony, welcome. Anthony, welcome. All right, guys, let's go over the markets. The Dow was up. Another big day today on the Dow. Dow was up 331 points. That's a big day for the Dow. Nasdaq was up. S&P was up. Russell and Bitcoin is trading at 63,000. All right. So markets are moving higher. Let's take a look. See if we have any buy signals. All right. So no buy signals yet on the daily time frames. Okay. But we're going to switch those to the 240. All right. I said that we would wait, but boy, they're getting pretty aggressive. Okay. So let's go ahead and just change these. All right, time frames to the 240. See if we have any buy signals. Okay. All right. All right. So this is the Dow 240 minutes, so forward time frame here. Let's see what we've got. All right. So we have a buy signal. Looks like that came in yesterday. All right. So let's change this here. We're going to close the shorts. All right. So this is on the Dow. Okay. 240. So we have a buy signal here on the 240 and it keeps moving. We'll change it to the daily. Okay. All right. So here is the NASDAQ 240 also. See if we have a buy signal. All right. No buy signal yet on the NASDAQ on the 240. We'll leave it here though. Changed the shorts. All right. On the S&P, let's see if we've got a buy signal. They're coming in. All right. They're buying this market. I think we've had 5-6 days of buying. All right. 240. 3 months worth of data here. All right. And all right. So the S&P, we have a buy signal on the S&P. All right. Turn up the shorts. All right. And you guys can do this on your also on your end with the systems. The Russell here looks like it might have a buy signal. Let's change the time frame here. All right. Russell 240. We'll do 3 months of data here. All right, so no buy signal yet on the Russell, but we do have buy signal on the Dow and on the S&P. All right. Okay, so buy signal on 240, the Dow, and on the S&P here. This buy signal on the S&P came in today. All right, none yet on the NASDAQ and on the Russell. Okay, guys, the VIX, look at the VIX. VIX is below, right at 12. So this is very low volatility. All right, we're starting to see some of these sectors come in, right? Indexes here, all are up here. This on the daily, okay? But you know, this will move, this will lag, and it can move fast too, okay? Sectors that are up, all right? So consumer staples, utilities, consumer discretionary, biotech, and financials. Okay, but we'll start looking for opportunities. We'll do that this evening. All right, and we'll look at just about all the sectors, and we'll just look for really good markdown phases and buy signals coming out of the markdown phase. All right, so this is encouraging for the market. Let's take a look at futures. I haven't looked at it, but dollar might be coming down. All right, so dollar is currently down in the futures market. All right, E-mini, Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, E-minis all up currently. Dollar is down, and look at this market is crazy. We've talked about this. All right, we have a white candle came in today. All right, white candle came in today on the dollar index. We've been trying to break through that resistance, but still have we had 2 days, 2 up days. White candle came in here. If we get further, all right, further movement down in the dollar, we could get a red candle, and that would be a concern. All right, if we get a red candle in the dollar, it's still holding its buy signal, still holding the buy signal here. If it breaks to support, now we might want to put this here. If it breaks to support right here, near-term support right about here, we could get a red candle, sell signal, white arrow to close the trade here. Okay, we do have a trend line here also. Okay, all right, we're gonna move this down here. All right, okay. Let's go through. Oh, I don't want to forget. US 30 traders, or US 30 traders. Now we have a long in the US 30. Right, we didn't call the first long, right, but we did call the second one last night, and that one is turning out really good. All right, so this one here we waited. This was the volatility, all that volatility last Friday with non-farm payrolls. All right, so we didn't get on this one. You guys could have traded it on a smaller time frame, but this one here we called. This was last night. We called this one here on the US 30 or US 30 traders. All right, hopefully you got some of this trade right here. All right, buy signal here came in right at 39,128 and trading up nicely. Look at these guys. 60-minute time frame, 1 hour time frame. Great trading here. All right, might have had a hiccup right here, but guess what? Good trade, good price action on the 60-minute. So far, this hasn't closed yet. All right, 2 great trades. All right, bought here, sold here. All right, bought here again. If you guys caught any of this trade, just good job. Good job here. All right, a lot of volatility came in. I know it's hard to see here, but lots of volatility on the daily time frame. All right, on the daily time frame, which is our foundational time frame, right? Here we are. We talked about this here. We are back in the box between support and resistance, and looks like wants to break through that resistance. All right, if that happens, that trade on the 60-minute will continue to move higher. All right, and boy, look at this: higher highs, higher lows. What amazing price action, straight up. All right. All right, so those of you who took advantage of this trade, good job. All right, good job. All right, current positions in Monster Scalper. All right, we'll start with the 240. You guys know we've been trading some of those 60-minute time frames. Aussie dollar, we should be out of Aussie dollar. And I believe also Aussie Swiss, we should be out of Aussie Swiss. We could get another buy signal on those. All right. Aussie New Zealand dollar. All right. That's holding firm. All right. Looks like it wants to break through resistance here. All right. So buy signal here. Moving up nicely. Resistance is here. So sellers are here. All right. Moving up nicely. Nice, healthy candles right here. All right. Needs to break through that resistance. If it does, next target all the way up here. All right. And as the dollar comes down, right, the inverse, New Zealand dollar will move higher. New Zealand CAD, all right, buy signal here. I know some of you are in this trade. Good job. All right, some of our new traders are actually trading this also. So good job. All right, lots of consolidation in here, right, within the markup phase. All right, so no white candles, but still, all right, traded between support and resistance for quite some time. Finally, it's breaking out now. So good job, those of you who trading this. Buy signal here was a break of this resistance, breaking resistance now. Next target all the way up here. All right, we mentioned that there's a move in the Kiwi pairs, New Zealand pairs. All right, so this is New Zealand yen. All right, buy signal came in. All right, buy signal. I think that was yesterday, right? We send this out. Buy signal came in. All right, New Zealand yen. And we've got a great V going here. All right, broke resistance right here. All right. And buy signal here moving up nicely. This is bringing your trend lines, guys. This is really nice. Notice how it's hugging that trend line. This will help you guys stay in the trades, okay? Stay in the trade. So New Zealand yen and then Aussie yen. Aussie yen, same thing here. All right, breaking resistance. Hold on. All right, breaking resistance right about here. Let's put that right about here. And here is your trend line here. Okay. All right, like this. So these yen pairs are moving nicely. Okay. All right. So buy signal here, moving up nicely. Okay. Now, 60 minutes. So we have some yen pairs on the 60-minute time frame. Those of you who took this trade, good job. We don't trade on that 60-minute much. We leave that up to you guys, but needed to find some opportunities. All right, as far as monster scalper. So New Zealand yen. Hold on. All right, 60 minutes. All right, good trade going here, guys. New Zealand yen. All right, we have a buy signal on the 240, but we also have a buy signal here on the 60-minute. Look at that. Every candle here, guys, all right, is an hour worth of trading. And look at that. All right, that buy signal came in on 5.5. What is it now? 5.9. All right, look at that. Nice trade going here. If you're in it, just hold on. New Zealand yen, pound New Zealand. All right, buy signal here. All right, moving up nicely. Keep an eye on this one. Holding that trend line, right? That moving average right here needs to bounce. All right, back. Okay. Swiss yen. All right, Swiss yen buy signal all the way up here. Really good price action. Needs to get past that resistance right here. If it does, could move much higher. Good trade going here though. That's for about, let's see here. But 150 pips or so. Good trade going here. Let's see. SGD JPY buy signal here. Look at that. All green candles here. Good job. All right. Euro yen. Not bad trades for trying to find something from these markets. All right. Buy signal here. Euro yen trading up nicely. Needs to get past resistance right here. Right about here. Okay. Not far from that resistance. CAD yen. All right. So CAD yen. Same thing, buy signal here. They're all running together, guys. Dollar yen. All right, dollar yen closed. All right, so dollar yen buy signal here on a nice break of resistance. Big candles came in here. Look at that. All right, don't we wish all our buy signals would would work out like this. No real pullback. All right, just took off. Big candles. All right. Sell signal came in here. Perfect sell signal. Right, came in on a break of support. Right, yeah, well, support line right here. Just bring that over. Support and the moving average and red candle and a white arrow. All right, so confirmation after confirmation that we need to be out of this trade. Good trade. Bought here, sold here, out of the trade. Okay, that's dollar yen. And dollar yen, well, will sometimes get pressure, all right, from the dollar index. So it could move much lower. Okay, so we don't want to get out. It could do something like this here. All right, so you see those red candles come in, close the trade. Okay, HKD JPY, buy signal here, right? On a nice break of resistance right here. Here is your resistance. Okay, broke support. Here is your support line right here. Red candle. All right, white arrow right here. Perfect trade. Look at that, guys. Right there, that little triangle right here. It's amazing. Sometimes we get perfect entries, exits. All right, this is a perfect exit right here. Red candle, broke support, white arrow. Can't get any better than that. Good, profitable trade right here. Okay. All right. That's on the 60-minute time frame. Okay. No shorts. All right. No shorts. That euro ZAR, we closed that euro ZAR. Okay. So no shorts. Let's take a look at equities. Stock boss. I know last night we're taking a look at the yen pairs to perhaps continue that move. I want to talk about that. We might just let those go, okay, because they're in the middle of a move there. Okay, so stock boss. Let's go through those trades. All right, CRK buy signal is here. That's holding firm. ORGN, Anthony, your trade here, right? Looks good. A bit of a pullback here, right? Mid a high here, bit of a pullback, but still holding, guys. Look at that. Really good price action. Still target all the way up here. Just remember, it gapped down all the way here, so it could fill in that gap. So if it gets past 157, which it's not far from that, all right, we could see buyers really come in and fill in that gap here. Let's see if that happens. Okay, so good price action, great trade in there. It took its time, but it's finally trying to move, build up some steam here. ORGN. OTLY, right? Buy signal here, holding right at resistance here, right? It's had difficulty breaking through that area here, right here, right here. All right, this is where that buy signal failed before. So just keep an eye on it. Purpose support and resistance here. That's never good. We're getting lower highs, lower lows. Okay, but it's holding so far. All green candles. All right, keep an eye on it. TAC, all right, buy signal here, and that's utilities. That's a new one. Buy signal here, moving up slowly. Target up here, holding well. Energy, I don't know about energy, boy. I tell you. VTRN, gap down, red candle. Close the trade, please. And we only also have a down here, but right. So buy was at 173. Close today at 113. Close that trade, please. So V, T, and R. Close that trade, please. All right. Nothing you can do about that. Gap down, right? Red candle, right? Was building some green candles here, right? A green candle here after that consolidation, but close the trade, please. All right. Bullmaster. All right. JXN, nice gap up today. This stock just keeps moving higher. All right. Good price action, keeps moving higher. Gapped up today. All right, gapped up. Yesterday it closed at that's what 5 points at 73. close today at 78. Good trade going there. And HCC. HCC, buy signal here, just holding right now. Okay. All right. We're going to add to Monster Scalper. We had a trade that came over this evening, Swiss yen. So we're going to take a quick look at Monster Scalper. Hold on. All right, Monster Scalper right here. Okay, so Swiss yen. We're going to add Swiss yen. All right, so buy signal here. Now it's pulling back right now. If you want to wait for it to get past. All right, so here's your, I wouldn't call this a markdown phase, but a pullback. And then you have resistance here. So if you want to wait for it to clear that resistance, that's fine. All right, we have resistance right about here. Okay, and then here it is right here. All right, here it is right here, buy signal right here. We do have good volatility in Forex. Okay, so we'll call that Swiss yen. Okay, let's take a look here. We'll go through this quickly. Looking for new buy signals. Oh. All right, new buy signals, okay, in Monster Scalper. All right, this on the 240. No, they're setting up. No buy signals yet, but they're setting up. New Zealand yen, we're already in that one. HKD, keep an eye on them. All right, Euro yen, keep an eye. No buy signals yet. Swiss yen, that's the buy signal here that came in. Okay. Swiss yen. CAD yen, no buy signal yet. We could get buy signals, guys, overnight. They should come soon. Aussie yen, we called that yesterday. We got a buy signal. Okay. Let's just, I don't think there's anything here in the dollar pairs, so but we'll take a look. The dollar index is so tricky right now. That's a short there. All right, nothing there. There's some shorts, but boy, that dollar index dollar could keep and break out. And all these are mixed. You see, guys, they're mixed right here. I mean, you can find individual trades, but just be careful. If you're going to do that, I would get off the 240, right? Stay on the 60-minute. Nothing here. All right, let's take a look at the pound pairs. These here pound pound PLN, right? If you want to look at the smaller time frame, okay, you might want to trade it. Not trusting the 240 guys right now. So if you want to, you can find some opportunity. This is on the 60-minute right here. Good 60-minute trade going here. All right. So just put your smaller time frames to work. 30-minute time frame, right? Not bad, but that 60-minute really holding the trade. So, if you can find some opportunities, right? On the smaller time frame, but just too much risk on the 240. Okay. Same thing here. What's that? Pound New Zealand, right? Here's your smaller time frame on the 60 minutes. All right, two great trades going so far here. One here, bought here, sold short, buy to cover, sold short, still holding. Okay. So I'll leave it up to you guys to find some opportunities on the smaller time frame. Okay. All right. Let's see here. All right. Forex dominator. These yen pairs. This one here, we've gotten out here, set to get out here. That's pulling back. That's ZAR yen. CAD yen, that's holding. But guys, we're gonna get back in. But look here, all new down. Okay, if they move, they run. That we miss out. That's fine. There'll be other trades, but I mean, ideally, if we had stayed in here, held it, but with the volatility that we've been having all last week, all right, that's pretty scary there. All right, but these trades will hold up much better in Forex Dominator, but we might miss the trade, right, in the yen pairs. Let's take a look at the dollar quickly. Nothing here. All right, nothing here. All right. Stock boss, let's see. Let's run hit seeker. 68 in stock boss. So we're gonna go through these. All right, we have buy signals, two buy signals on the 240. So we'll look for opportunities. All right, we can look at all the sectors, but we need really good markdown phases and buy signals. Okay, we'll go through these quickly. All right, CR, let's see here, CRCT. Yeah, take a closer look here. All right, good trade here, guys. Look at this really good markdown phase here. Really good markdown phase. Buy signal here, right? That would have been great. Buy signal here, gapped up. It's too late. That buy signal came in right at 547, close today at 786, right? It's gone. That's too late. But good markdown phase. If you guys ever find a markdown phase like that with a good buy signal, that's a good setup there. It has to be almost perfect, guys, because market can turn. ASRT, we've got a decent markdown phase. Look at that right here. All right. I would wait. We won't call this one, all right, because it's pulling back a bit. But if it can get past that resistance here, that could be a really good trade, all right. Buy signal came in at 120, $1.20. And the high, it fell from, what's that right here? It fell from a high, almost $8. Sellers came in right here, okay? All right, so, but has to develop, it's got to get past resistance here, okay? ASRT. Okay, let's keep going. All right, we're gonna call this one. The buy signal came in right at 175, guys. No, this is a chip. You remember, this is stock boss now. Okay. Now it failed in here, red candles, but look here, buyers are coming in. All right. And this one fell from, what's that? A high of $13 to $3. So we'll call that this one here. PROK. All right. And they're building up in here. So I won't go heavy. And that is healthcare biotech. Okay. And that's stock boss. We'll just do stock boss this evening, and then we'll do bull master tomorrow. It's got to be almost perfect, guys, as far as the setup. Nope. Real? We've traded real before. Nope. RSI, we've traded RSI before. All right. That's gone. All right, let's take a closer look here. All right, no. All right. All right. Guys, we'll be launching a new system soon with fundamentals. All right. So finally, we've got a system where we'll have really good fundamentals added So it will be Bullmaster Pro, Bullmaster Pro. Okay, so we'll have fundamentals. It's going to be fun using fundamentals um, with that system. Okay, and tag we're in there. That's this one already. All right, guys, and tomorrow we'll take a look at Bullmaster here. I'm going to run this. So 99 in Bullmaster, so that's a lot here. But we'll run these. We'll run these tomorrow. All right, guys. All right. So not a big deal yet. Okay, but it's market is wants to go bullish again. All right. So we do have, like I said, buy signals on the 240 on the Dow and the S&P. No buy signals yet on the Russell and the Nasdaq. And VIX is below 13, guys. Look at that, 1269. Okay, and buyers are coming in these sectors here. All right, they're coming in these indexes, but they're coming in these sectors. Okay, all right, guys. I will see you all on Sunday. So it's Thursday. See you back here on Sunday. All right, our beginners class will be on Saturday morning. All right, for only for beginners, and then for our traders roundtable tomorrow at 5 p.m. Okay, all right, guys. I will see you guys, everyone else on Sunday. All right, take care. Good trading. Be careful with these markets. Okay, we had some buy-in that came in this week, but that could change next week, guys. All right, that could change next week. So be flexible, right? Be rigid with your systems. Okay, but be flexible with the markets. Okay, all right. Take care. Bye bye.